Hello guys, I hope you are fine and how you doing today. I hope you are good and you are enjoying our video classes. This is Normal Science Tutors Online and I remain your online tutor to Michael. Welcome to our class for today and please if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell if you are just visiting our channel. This is our online physics class and we are using this channel to actually assist students who might have some deficiencies in physics, and because I know that based on experience and interactions, many schools don't have science instructors or teachers, and because of that students find it difficult to learn physics. So we are using this to bridge that gap. It is not taking over from your normal break and walk classes, but this is a lecture series that has been packaged together by experienced physics instructors to assist students, okay, to assist students in their learning and to make physics to be as simple as possible for them. So if you look at our discussion so far, the language is highly simplified so that even the ordinary person can actually listen and understand what I'm saying. And we have tried to simplify most of the equations. See, we have to go through the route of trying to derive and trying to make sure that you don't find any equation too difficult to understand. Okay, so that is what we are doing here, and we want you to share this video with your friends in different social media platforms. Okay, so for this particular class we're going to discuss briefly on electron volts and potential difference. Electron volt and potential difference, that's what we're going to discuss in this our class. So please, if you have gotten your materials ready, let us just go straight to the class for today without wasting much time. Electron volt and potential difference. Electron volt is defined as the quantity of energy gained by an electron when it accelerates through a potential difference of 1 volt, and the unit is in joules. Okay, so simply put, we know that electrical work done is equals to QV. That's what we discussed before. Electrical work done is equals to quantity of charge times the potential difference, which is in volts. Okay. Also, work done for an electron in motion is equals to kinetic energy. And we know that kinetic energy, so we can write this equation as this, as work done is equals to kinetic energy is equals to QV. Kinetic energy is equals to half mv square. So half mv square is equals to QV, and then we know that half is equal to 0.5, so don't be confused about that. Okay, so V is equals to we'll make V now the subject of your formula. This V is the potential difference. This is the velocity of the electron. Alright, so you don't confuse it. So that's why this one is capital V and this is small v. So this gives you capital V is equals to 0.5 mv squared, okay, all divided by q. Alright, so this is the relationship between potential difference and the velocity of an electron in an electric field, where m is the mass of the electron, v is velocity of the electron, capital V is potential difference, and q is the electric charge. Okay, so this is all about electron volt. Electron volt is the quantity of energy gained by an electron when it accelerates through a potential difference of 1 volt. Okay, so that is exactly what we have done here, and we're able to come up with this particular equation. All right, so having that said, we can actually solve some problems now. can solve some problems. Remember, you can still write this as, you can also write this as 1 over 2 mv squared q. So depending on your preference, this is also the same thing as this. Fine. So let's solve one problem here straight. So this is a sample jam question that we're looking at. An electron of charge 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb and mass 9.1 times 10 to the power minus 31 kg is accelerated between two metal plates with a velocity of 4 times 10 to the power minus 4 times 10 to the power 7 meter per second. The potential difference between the plates is what? Jam. So here I said that potential difference equals to what? 0.5 mv squared all over charge. Okay, so you have your values here. Mass of the electron is given to you. This is the charge on the electron. This is the mass of the electron, and this is the velocity of the electron. So substitute all this into this equation. Substitute all that you have into this equation. So this will give you 0.5 multiplied by mass of the electron, which is 9.1 times 10 raised to the power minus 31 multiplied by the charge on the electron, which is 1.6 times 10 raised to the power minus 19 to power minus 19 all squared divided by the charge. No, that is, you are multiplying by the velocity. Sorry, this is velocity squared. Sorry, that is velocity squared, which is 4 times 10 raised to the power 7 divided by the charge, which is 1.6 times 10 raised to the power minus 19. 1 minus 19. Okay, so if you work this out, you will have 7.28 times 10 raised to the power minus 16 all over 1.6 times 10 raised to the power minus 19. Okay, so by the time you work all this out, you have that the PD will be equals to 4.55 times 10 raised to the power 3 volts. Okay, so guys, this is how to apply this equation on electron volt. Okay, that's how to apply the equation on electron volt. So thank you so much. But before we go, let's look at our test page. Okay, so this is a test question for you to solve, and in this particular equation, you are given the kinetic energy, you are given the charge. So what you are asked to find is the potential difference. Okay, so just find the potential difference, and you know that kinetic energy is equals to work done, which is equals to Q times V. So from there you can solve your problems. Alright guys, so that's where we are ending our class for this, and thank you so much for your time. Before I leave, please subscribe to our channel, click on the notification bell so that when we upload a new video, YouTube will notify you. That's okay. And then invite your friends. Help us to share the video on your various social media platforms. Give us a like, give us a thumbs up, Invite your friends so that they can come and enjoy what you are enjoying. This is No Man's Science Tutors Online, and I remain Otobo Michael, your online tutor. Reach us through the WhatsApp number that is showing right on your screen. Thank you so much for your time, and we hope to see you in our next video, in our next class.